Just Ed Bloodsworth with your First Alert Storm Team forecast.
All right, you may see a weather alert scrolling across the bottom of your screen. That is in reference to a severe thunderstorm watch that has been issued for most of southeastern and south central Alabama. This does officially include Monroe and Conecuh counties in our viewing area. Now, others will see thunderstorms. In fact, some are already seeing storms, but any severe thunderstorms would come with a big complex of downpours that's coming in out of southern Alabama. So there you see the watch that was just issued. Here's a look at the radar picture. Got some storms rumbling in Okaloosa County, Florida. Very slow movers here south of I-10 and Highway 90 there, southwest of Crestview. Those will slide south towards Niceville, Eglin Air Force Base, and Fort Walton Beach this afternoon, now moving into this evening. And new storms are developing here. One near Bruton along 65, and there are a few more thunderstorms in Clark County. Officially not severe, but some of these are getting a little strong. This is the batch of severe storms, and the good news is that the western portion of this line is not looking nearly as strong as the eastern side. So that's where most of this is going to trend down towards Eufaula, Troy, Ozark, Dothan, but some of that could clip into our viewing area, so we'll keep our eyes on that for you this evening. Thunderstorms, there you go, rumbling south. I doubt these will be severe, truth be told, after 9 p.m. as most of our models suggest they should weaken. We'll be left with scattered clouds heading through the overnight. It's warm and steamy ahead of the storms. 91 in Leakesville, it's 90 in Jackson, same for Citronelle. Cooled by an earlier bit of cloud cover, an outflow boundary from an earlier storm in Mobile. It's 81, 88 down at Gulf Shores, and triple-digit feels like temperatures for many communities today. Starting to certainly feel like summer out there. Graded Phillips umbrella forecast, we're keeping that chance higher tomorrow, now at 60%. So by 9 p.m., an isolated shower or storm possible. Don't expect much to start the day in terms of rain, just very high humidity. Most likely we see thunderstorms for the afternoon, and some of those could be strong. We're going to watch for some gusty winds and perhaps a little bit of hail. Here's our predictor as we move you through the night. Again, there's your evening batch of storms. Quiet start for us tomorrow morning, and then good coverage of storms coming in after 2 p.m. Everything will slide from north to south as they will be forming along an advancing cold front. Now, here's the good news. We transition to east and northeasterly winds. It's going to be a bit of a breezy start there Wednesday with quite a bit of cloud cover around, and those clouds may stick around for most of the day with some late day sun. But temperatures are going to run much, much cooler by the middle of the week. So for tomorrow, lower and middle 90s area wide. It's going to be a very steamy day. Look at the drop that comes. That's Wednesday's afternoon high temperatures. We will struggle to get above 80 for some locations. That's a quick shot of cool air, well below seasonal norms there for the middle of the week. By the mornings, by the end of the week, will transition to 60s. Nice, refreshing starts. Highs should start to climb back into the mid-80s by the weekend, and we'll bring back some pop-up thunderstorms. Stay with us. We'll be right back.